I tell you, you never know what you're gonna see in the city of New York. Boy, just about everything in the city of New York. Wild turkeys walking down the street. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? There's turkeys in the middle of New York. Oh Lord, we come together. We come together. That fentanyl got him on Staten Island. This motherfucker on Staten Island. Oh Lord. He got the bird flu. He is out of this motherfucker. The bird flu. You laughing, bro? We ain't laughing.
He look fake, but he real though. Look at his eyes. He real. Look at that.
His eyes over here. Wait.
Yeah, he real. He real.
Oh, wait.
You stupid. You're disrespecting the
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Staten Island best right there, motherfucker. Staten Island best right there. This motherfucker out.